So this is where it gets fun. For us, and for you, hopefully. We're gonna play a song right now that we have never, ever played as a full band before today. Now I'm gonna give you a little hint as to what this song could be. It may or may not have done well in this country while I was on American Idol.
Now you wanna be free, so I'm letting you fly. 'Cause you know in your heart, babe, I love because I know you're gonna be a part of me. I'm part of you indefinitely. Girl, don't you know you can't escape me? You'll be back again. You know in your heart, babe, I love that man. You're right here, my body is definitely. Girl, don't you know you can't escape me? Nobody will always be my baby. Oh,